voice together saying, "We'll call you back," and the "we" made them sound like a couple. The man was a handsome black man who was in law school. She designed sets. And he didn't leave a message because he didn't want her to know how much he felt like he needed it. He had been very casual about the whole thing. She said she knew a guy just over the river in Austin who sold high-resin dope in moderate bulk, and he'd yawned and said, "Well, maybe. Well, hey, why not? Sure. Special occasion. I haven't bought any in I don't know how long." She said he lived in a trailer and had a hair lip and kept snakes and had no phone and was basically